Welcome to our video tutorials. Today, we are going to learn how to join tables in Tableau. But before that, let us understand why we need joins and what are the different types of joins available. In almost all scenarios, data is stored in multiple tables or Excel sheets based on different categories or departments. So for example, customer data, sales data, or inventory data all might be stored in different tables. It is impossible to store everything in one single table. For many scenarios, we need data from multiple tables for our analysis. In that case, we will join tables to get a consolidated data set, and that is where joins come in handy. Let us look at different join types. The first is the inner join, in which matching data from both the tables is selected. We have outer join, in which all the data from both tables is selected. In the left join, along with matching data from both tables, full data from the left table is selected. And similar to left join, we have the right join, in which along with matching data from both tables, full data from the right table is selected. So now let us look at an example about how to join data in Tableau. So let us look at the Superstore data, which has data like order ID, order date, ship date. It has the different categories, subcategories, along with sales, quantity, discount, profit, and the order year. We also have another table or Excel sheet here, which is the target sheet, wherein we have columns like product subcategory, order year, sales target, and profit target. So basically this table contains the target for sales and profit which the company was supposed to achieve. And the southern region table contains the actual sales and profit. So we can see we have two columns, subcategory and order year, which are common in both the tables, and we can use these two columns to join when we are joining in Tableau. We also have a third table, returns, which has only two columns, order ID and status. So basically this table gives us information whether the status was returned for this particular order ID. So if you want to join this table with the southern region table, which is the main table, we can join it on order ID, which is a common column in both the tables. Let us see how to work with joins in Tableau. So when we open Tableau, we will come to the start page, wherein we can connect to our file, which is an Excel file, and import data in Tableau. Here you can see different sheets present in this Excel, South Superstore. Southern region was the main table which we saw earlier with different fields like order ID, order date, ship date, the category, subcategory, etc. As you can see here, Tableau tells us that we need to double-click this table in order to join or union it with other tables. So basically, this table right now is in the logical layer. When we double-click it, we will go into the physical layer. Now, we want to join the target table with the base table, which is the southern region. So let us drag drop this table in the canvas. Okay, now Tableau has given four options: inner, left, right, and full outer for us to join. And here it gives us the keys on which we can join. So we had decided to join on subcategory and product subcategory in the target table and order year. Now let us check if columns from the target table are present. Yeah, you can see the sales target and profit target here. So this means that our join here was successful. We also wanted to join the third table, which is the returns table. So let us drag drop that table as well in the canvas. Great. The Tableau here has automatically found out the join key, which is order ID, because it has similar names, and has joined with the main table as an inner join, which is the default join. But in this case, we will need left join because we need data from southern region. We need all the data and just the matching data from returns table. So you can see the status column which was present in the returns table has come in our data here. So our join for all the three tables here was successful. Let us go to the worksheet here. You can see table names as well as some column names listed here. Let us try to understand in detail how they are presented. So here you can see the separating line. So all fields above this line are dimensions from different tables. So returns table has these two dimensions. The dimensions of southern region are listed below, and dimensions for target are present under the target name. Whereas the fields below this line are the measures for individual tables. But here you can see only two tables. Returns table is not present because it does not have any measure. So now you have data from all the three tables at your disposal, and you can drag drop any dimensions or measures onto this canvas here to start with your visualization as per your requirements. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Thank you so much for joining me.